It's time for me to try something new. So I've got these gripper studs with tool, and they have the instructions on the back. So yeah, wish me luck. So here I have 2 prongs, a socket and a stud, I think. Yes. So, do I know which way that one goes? No. Insert prong onto top side of garment. Through on the outside, center of the mark. Insert thin end of tool. What thin end of tool? Over center of prong with until point exposed. Does the tool come apart or something? Ah, right. You push it through the fabric until you can see the things. Right. Okay. One of those. Okay, so we want prongs going that way. Oh yeah. Push that bit in into the center. Can you see? Sorry. And then you can just sort of see that the prongs are starting to come through. Let's go with that side out. I think. A socket over prongs. Yeah. Position grooved end of tool over the socket. And hammer together using the large end of tool. Nope. Yeah. Okay. That is that. That is that way, I think. Wait. No, I had it back upside down, I think. That's moving more. Aha. Ha 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 ha! It's attached. I had it upside down. Well, that's decent. Oop. Okay, here another couple of taps. Woohoo! So, there's that side. Which means this one has the prongs coming up that way. Prong with ring on outside. Insert thin end of tool of center prongs until prongs are exposed. Oop. Yeah, they're coming through. Hold on, I need to get rid of the stuff from underneath so I can push back better. Yeah, prongs are through the fabric. Yeah. Place stud over prongs with protruding side up and hammer together using large end of tool. Okay. This one is much more easy to tell which way it goes. Is that it? Is it done? I've been putting this off for so long. And there we go. Oh goodness. It's really tight. Cool. and that is one pad ready to go. I think they've been waiting on this for about 3 months. It could be longer. Okay, other one. So there you go, this way. Push that through. Yeah. Wibbly wobbly. Make sure the spikes are through the fabric. Put on this. Okay, I think there's that side and there's that side. It's not focusing very well. The side with the sort of smooth dip, I think that's what we need to curve those prongs around. And there we go. And that's not together quite enough for me. Yep. And then this one, because that's that way and that's that way. Let's just check placement. Yep, about there. Push the prongs. Well, push the fabric over the prongs so the prongs come through. So I'm just going between each one. Yep, there it goes. Pointy side up. So yeah, that smooth groove. Let's see, there we go. That smooth groove is what bends the prongs. And then tool, and then bang. Nope. Let's try that again. Better. There we go. And then this one, snap it together, pull it apart. Yay! So yeah, the side that has the sort of cuts in the metal, that's the side that actually squishes around. Whereas the fully smooth side goes towards the prongs to smooth the prongs around. Cool. Marvellous. 2 down. Fantastic. Now I've got to find a container for this because...